In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore contacts to a previous version, undo changes. If you've accidentally deleted, merged, or edited contacts and want to roll everything back, Google Contacts has a built-in feature called Undo Changes that restores your entire contact list to how it looked at a specific moment in the past. This tutorial focuses on the desktop version, and it's perfect for getting your address book back to a known good state without manually fixing each contact. Start by opening your web browser and going to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account whose contacts you want to restore. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose Undo Changes. This opens a window that asks how far back you want to go. You'll see preset options such as 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, yesterday, and 1 week ago. There's also a custom option that lets you select a specific date and time up to 30 days in the past. Pick the point that best represents when your contacts were still correct. If you aren't completely sure, start with a recent option like 10 minutes or 1 hour and test. You can repeat undo changes again to choose a different time if needed, as long as it's within that 30-day window. When you've selected the time frame, click Confirm. Google will restore your contact list to exactly how it was at that moment. This may take a little time if you have a large number of contacts. After it finishes, the restored list will appear in Google Contacts on the web and will sync to any devices connected to the same account. If you don't see the update right away on another device, allow a few minutes for syncing. A quick note on what this actually does. Undo changes affects your entire contact set. It brings back deleted contacts, reverses edits, and unmerges contacts that were merged after the chosen time. It will also remove any contacts you added after that point. It's essentially a snapshot restore, so think of it as rolling back everything to a previous version rather than fixing just one entry. If the first restore doesn't land on the exact state you hoped for, simply open Settings again, select Undo Changes, and choose a different time until you find the right snapshot. Remember, you can only go back up to 30 days. That's it. With a few clicks, you can recover your Google Contacts to a previous version and undo unwanted changes safely and efficiently.